Rocket into Solana's memecoin market with this high-energy guide to the PumpFun Sniperbot. This Solana MEV bot empowers you to auto-snipe new tokens on PumpFun with unmatched precision. From rapid wallet setup to seamless trades, this video unlocks the ultimate PumpFun strategy. Why this bot slays. Instant token sniping, grabs meme coins at launch. Auto-trading bot magic, trades effortlessly on autopilot. PumpFun precision, built for Solana's meme coin king. Easy for all, setup that clicks for newbies or pros. Live market lead, outpaces every token drop crafted for traders ready to lead Solana's DeFi scene. Video timeline, 154. 0:100, Intro to Solana Sniper Bot Heat. 0:10 PumpFun Sniper Bot Breakdown. 0:30, Quick Wallet Setup Tutorial. 0:50 Live Auto Trading Showcase. 1:10, PumpFun Strategy Secrets. 1:30, Advanced Sniping Tips. Fire up your DeFi game. Subscribe for cutting-edge Solana MEV bot guides and auto trading bot tactics. Drop your questions in the comments.